right. Yeah, that's what I'm. Oh, what's up, y'all? I mean, sometimes they count down and stuff like that, you know. Hmm. Yep. All right, so I'm here, live streaming on Facebook. Eventually, it'll be on YouTube and stuff like that, you know. Okay, so I just hope y'all having a little fun and stuff like that, you know, having a great time and stuff like that. Especially my friend Bianca, you know, she's having fun out there, you know. Excuse me. 7,000 show uploaded to YouTube. You know, I'm talking about the 7,000 show of The Price is Right. You know, yeah. So I mean, how many episodes of The Price is Right do you got? So many. Okay, over 9,000 episodes of The Price is Right. What about 8,000 episodes? You know, okay. I must have missed something. You know, uh, 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 the 8,000 show. Well, all right. Still glad I got my friends, Bianca, Shamika, and hopefully Brittany, you know, especially Erica. Erica, well, I don't know if she gonna watch this or not. You know, she gonna wonder, why am I talking about her? Why am I talking about her? Who knows why am I talking about her? Who knows why am I talking about her? Okay. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Why I say who knows? All right. Okay. Like Dirty Dan or whatever. All right. So, I like who is allegedly Dirty Dan? Who knows who Dirty Dan is? I don't know who Dirty Dan is, and I don't even know why I'm mentioning Dirty Dan. You know. All right. Let me see as I type it here and type it there, everywhere a key boring and stuff like that, you know. Okay, so but I'm sitting at home, relaxing, computer work, upload to YouTube and stuff like that. Doing a Facebook Live. Dianca is at a concert in Houston or somewhere, or probably here in New Orleans, and didn't tell me she's in New Orleans or whatever. Okay. All right. So anyway, on a Facebook Live, she mentioned my name. Yep. Hey Dominoes. She showed her face. You know. She showed her pretty face, you know. Mm-hmm. Got some braces. Is beautiful, you know. Yep. She said she had braces before, and if she had braces, I forgot, you know. Mm-hmm. Yes. Bianca. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I guess it was yesterday or day before yesterday. It was her mom's birthday, you know. Y'all seen her on my show before, Bianca Stokes, you know. If y'all watch my past episodes from back in the day, you know. I made that episode of the Domino 7 show about 2 days before my grandmother passed away, you know. So that Monday night, my grandmother passed away, you know. Mm-hmm. Unexpectedly went to the hospital, you know. That Sunday night or something like that, you know. I mean, I ain't expect my grandmother to pass away just like that, you know. I really didn't expect that, you know. I mean, she was really doing well, to be honest with you, you know. Uh huh. So yeah, you know. I know y'all. Some of y'all have grandmothers that's not here anymore, you know. So My mom and my grandmother passed 2 years apart. My auntie Gloria and my cousin Jude passed 2 years apart as well. That's that's like a whole remake right there, you know? Okay? That was like a whole remake right there, you know? Okay, 2020, two family members, you know, we lost, you know, Monk Isaac and my auntie Gloria. Y'all saw them on my video before, so maybe one day I'm gonna do a mixture randomness, you know. Okay, so yeah, I went to Monk Isaac a birthday party. It was in 2016 or 2017 or something like that, you know. All right, it was an ace if y'all watch that, you know. Okay. All right. So doing my gameplays, and some people already like my gaming, you know. Okay. The old game and stuff like that, you know. So need to give me a PlayStation 5 one day. I hope y'all could pray for me that I get a PlayStation 5, you know. Cause I need a PlayStation 5 with the games like NBA 2K, Madden, more Madden and stuff like that, you know. Okay, cause I would definitely need that and stuff like that, you know. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna need that one day, you know. Okay, so one of these days I'm get that. Okay, all right. So that's all I'm gonna say for right now. So I don't know when it's gonna be uploaded.